Some loves are not shaped by moments, they are shaped by years. This is not a story of urgency or fleeting emotion. It is a story of permanence, of devotion that moves at the pace of time itself, steady, inevitable, and unafraid of everlasting. Time did not threaten this kind of love, it shaped it. Years layered, gently one upon another, deepening what was already there. Ordinary moments became markers, not because they were rare, but because they returned. What mattered was not a single moment. What mattered was that it lasted, because some loves are not meant to ever end. They are bound by time. Timebound Affection is a dark, steampunk-style folio kit designed around themes of enduring love, memory, and time. This kit includes a curated collection of folio pieces, background elements, pockets, belly bands, and designed to be layered and assembled into a finished folio. The color palette lends into warm, time-worn tones, weathered browns, ash grays, bruised plum, softened wine, and muted neutrals, chosen to feel aged and romantic rather than bright or seasonal. Throughout the kit, you'll find elements inspired by time, including clocks, gears, and hourglasses, paired with softened florals and ornamental details. This is a beginner-friendly folio that can be used on its own or as a finished project, or added into any larger journal. Timebound Affection is now available in my Etsy shop.